Hello, guys, and welcome back again to my English listening comprehension exercise. Today, we're going to be talking about two words. The words are peace and peace. Did you get that? They sound similar, but these two words mean totally something different. We're going to go over that today in this English comprehension exercise. So before we get started, as always, guys, please like my page. Or if you don't like it, you can hit the unlike button. It's okay. And if you have not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me there. As always, it would be greatly appreciated. So today we're going to talk about two words, peace and peace. Well, these two words are quite different. Peace means it's a part of something. Here's one example in a sentence. She found a piece of glass on the floor. Here's another one. This puzzle is made of 4,000 pieces. And another. I would like a piece of cake, please. Here's another example when you're using a unit or an item of something. Here's an example. Here are three sentences, examples. A skirt, a scarf, and a coat are pieces of clothing. Here's another one. This is a very interesting piece of news. And another. He needs a piece of paper. So let's use the other word, peace, P-E-A-C-E. This word peace describes a situation in which there is no war or fighting. No war or fighting. Here's an example. After all of these years of war, the people want peace. Here's another. The two countries have always lived together in peace. And another. We all want world peace. This word P-E-A-C-E is when things are calm and quiet. We use these when it's calm and quiet. Here's an example of the word peace again. I would like some peace and quiet. Don't we all love peace and quiet sometimes? Of course we do. Here's another sentence. There won't be any peace until she gets what she wants. And here's another sentence, the last sentence, using the word peace, P-E-A-C-E. At last, he reached an inner peace. Did you get that, guys? And now it's time to ask this question. What do you prefer? A piece of cake or peace of mind? Well, that's the English comprehension exercise today, guys. I hope you understood the words peace and peace, the differences. They sound similar, but they mean totally two different things. Until next time, guys, please like this page and also hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. Till next time, guys, have a great day, okay? Bye.